From here, I'll start from behind.
So far behind.
So step this leg around.
So
Yes.
step around.
Now make your hips touch. And yes, exactly. You lift me off the ground easily.
And almost
And now,
taking
yeah, that's
it.
okay. And then keep your balance. So when you do it, now you're like this. So you see our feet are facing the same way. When I step and change this way, my feet face, so I'm gonna scoop you up that way, you see?
Yeah.
So even if you hold me very tight, it's no hands at all to
Yeah.
lift, no power, hold tight, lower, or you don't slip. It's all the weight, it's all the hips, look. See, no hands, this. It's leverage right here. Try like that.
On the hips. So do you want me to just
So you step around the same way I did, yes. Now hold on, be close, hips, step in with this foot more. Now, now lift, yes, there you go. Nice, that was perfect, yes. So if Sage was holding you, he stays like holding snug, so no space, and then I have to go this way, gonna step, make my body come around, and then I'm able to lift him easy. But if I just pull, it's hard, you see? And if he holds me tight, I don't even need hands to lift him. It's gonna
Yeah.
be your hips that touch right here to do it, you know?
Okay. So you're gonna do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
Okay.
Come this way.
Come this way. Right here. Okay. Hey.
Walk in close, your hips touch his leg, now scoop up. Yes, look how light he felt. And the more you practice the perfect leverage point, you'll be able to lift him like he feels like 5 pounds.
Okay. Oh, let's go this way.
Don't know it's coming.
I'm ready.
Good, hands up, step around, nice. Yes, absolutely, not bad. That's good. That was after 3 minutes of training. 3 minutes of training and she can do it. That was awesome.
Amazing.